Next up, horse stance. This is a fun one. You're gonna need a stick, that's all. The idea is that you're going to squat with the stick on your thighs, and your thighs are gonna be parallel to the ground. So not so low that the stick is gonna fall down, and not so high that the stick is gonna fall off. It's gonna be somewhat easy to do with a narrow stance. You could hold this horse for a while. The challenge is going to be to take your legs wide. You can measure it with tape measure, you can measure it on your mat, you can measure it with steps. I like 5 steps, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Toes facing forward, squat down, place the stick, and hold. I'm trying to keep my pelvis around neutral, not too much anterior tilt or posterior tilt, just a regular pelvis. It's pretty difficult. I'm feeling some burn in my quads, and if my feet were a bit wider, I'd probably get even more sensation in my adductors. What's up, dog? All right, dogs will help the time pass. I'll do it for a minute here, and when you do it for a minute, you'll feel the same thing I'm feeling right now. So it's unpleasant, almost immediately unpleasant, and just try to think of other things to distract yourself. Oh, no, no, watch out, dog. Breathing helps. Maybe throwing punches helps. Dog, watch out. Woo. Sliding on this court. Don't have a timer. Feels like getting close to a minute. It's pretty intense. You don't have to start with a minute right away. Start with 20, 30 seconds, build up to a minute. Whew. Yep. It's a fun one. I told you it was fun. Good luck.